I miss playing spider. We play spider, you know. Charcoal azul. It's blue charcoal. What? Super hot. Oh, this mother mia. Init. Init ka naman. Ito. Ang init. Pasok ko na to. Because I need one hand for myself. And one hand for the camera. I just use my phone. I don't know if this is clear. Because hindi ko dinala yung camera kasi mabigat siya, and then punta pa tayo doon sa malayo. Yan na yan, akyatin na yan, akyatin natin yan. I don't know how many hours it takes because lahat dati ilang oras ba yun nilakad namin? 5 hours 5 hours ata. 5 hours namin ito inikot here hanggang doon sa kabila. So it's good to know that balik kami. Naakyatan lang namin yung charcoal azul yan sa pataas hanggang doon sa dulo, and then doon kami kakain. Pupunta lang dito para kakain. Just exploring the view, guys. It's really beautiful. Daan, parang naman to. Oh my god. Parang sobrang sikip ng daanan, guys. Oh, madre mia. Look, some areas blue now. It's starting now to azul. Yeah, look, it's blue, right? Dito kami dumaan dati. Sobrang gabi na yun. Look, daanan to, guys. Look, tingnan yung daanan. You can really see that this is road to going up. So, aakyatin namin ngayon kasi may araw na. Ito lahat dati. Hindi namin nakikita yung view. So, we're gonna go here. To the top. Yes. Then, oh, Diyos mío, Madre mía, Marimar. Uy! Yan. Diyan kami galing, guys, dati. Diyan kami kumakain. And then, we moved to another place. Yan sa kabila, yung asul. Charcoal azul dun sa kabila. So, punta tayo, pero dito tayo dadaan. Okay. Oh, yan na. Is the one. Doon kami galing. Ayan na. Oh. Oh. Ayan na. Oh. We're here now. This. Wait, I was just twisted. We're here now, guys. Oh. Ito yung charcoal. I don't know if you could see it. Let's see. And this area here, there is a like a watershed. There's watershed there in this down. The water is from the top, so when you go down, it's all the way up to, from the top. The water goes down, but this water is not really a lot. Kaya hanggang dito lang yung water, hanggang dyan lang yung water. Dito wala na. So super dry siya. And we going up there. Kasi dito kami galing. Ngayon kami galing, doon kami punta. Kain kami doon. So, shall we? It's super hot talaga. It's super hot. What's that? Huh? You want water? ahorita.
That's okay.
Huh?
Heavy.
Okay. You wanna add?
No, up to you.
Okay, put it in my box. What is that? Huh? Spider? You see the spider? Where is it? No. It's not possible has a spider here. It's just a spider web and then they died. What is it? Spider? What? I miss playing spider. We play spider, you know. Oh, there's a spider web here. I don't know if this is the real one. Oh, hagkot. Hagkot kay laway ah. Where is the spider? Puta sa laway. Ano ito ipaaway? Paaway ba? Paaway, lawa. Kumusta lang na. We are in the other mountain again. Oh. Oh. We are near now. We are near to nice rocks. Wow. It's too hot.
The end of the month, I hope that you
I know. Oh. Oh yeah.
still Kalima, we not see the good.
Mm-hmm. Look at this wind. This is coming here, blowing out in our face. Seems like it's raining. Wow. I have this thing, guys. So look, I'm gonna go home now. I did something this solirap, and I wanna say bye guys. Bye. Thank you for watching. Oh my Jesus. Until next time. How dare you. Bye. Let's go.